In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Jimmy John's promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Jimmy John's promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna click go. Alright, so once that is done, you're gonna head over to this first website, Los Angeles Times, and you're gonna click on it. Alright, so once that is done, you're gonna see many coupon codes here. And as you guys can see that this is for September 2023, so for this month. So the first one is free sandwich when you sign up. You can click view coupon code. Okay, so whenever you sign up, you're automatically gonna get this offer. So you don't need any coupon code for this. So you can just go and explore other codes. So let's see other codes. So as you can see, there are many offers on this website. So let's say this is an online offer which says order an Italian nightclub from $9.75 at Jimmy John's. So this is an ongoing offer which you can directly go on the website and claim. So you don't need a code for this. And as you guys can see, it says does not require a code. Directly go and claim the deal by visiting the website. Now I'm gonna head to some other website and try to find a few more codes. Okay, then you're gonna head over to this website, CNET Coupons, and you're gonna click on it. Alright, so once you're here, there's one coupon code here. Save 20% off. You can click show coupon code. And that's the coupon code for a 20% off. As you can see, this code has expired, but it still might work. So you can always give it a try and see whether it works. Well, you can explore other codes as well. And there's another website which I'd like you to know. So you can go back. Alright, then you can scroll down until you see this website, vthrift.com. You can also find many codes here. So for example, the first one is 50% off. And you can click show code. And it's automatically gonna copy a code, and you can always give tries to these one as well. So yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.